collectors? We got something great for you from Monkey Paw Pigs. If you don't know us, check us out. Check out our Facebook below. We would love to hear from you guys. But this week, we have Batman Arkham Knight from Arkham Origins video game. If you check our past videos, we have Deathstroke from this game. So we thought it would be fitting if we get Batman as well. Because I love Batman, he's great. And McFarlane Toys have been just killing it with this line. I love what they're doing. I love keep it up. As you know, people get confused because they did release Arkham Asylum Batman, but this is Arkham Origins. Two completely different games, two completely different suits. This was the latest game in the series, and now we don't have one. I hope they come back to it. But if you want to take a look at that bad boy, he comes with accessories. He's built like a tank. Oh my god, it's so awesome. I'm such a fan of this series. McFarlane does this stuff. What's that source?
Source material is Batman Arkham Knight video games 2015. 5 years ago.
5 years since we had a Batman game. Come on, let's get on this rock steady. Give us a new Batman Arkham. I know
Did they do a Justice League game?
They had that new game coming out called Kill the Justice League.
Yeah.
But it's not Arkham. It's not Batman. I know they had the Arkham Knight with Robin, Red Hood, but that's not part of this series. So, I'm hoping that you come back to this series and give us a new game. But, until I did, we got McFarlane to knock him out of the park with these figures. I can't stress enough how much I love McFarlane with these series. So, let's open this bad boy up. What's up, collectors? We're back. We opened it. We got Batman Arkham Origins, McFarlane, DC Multiverse coming at you right now. So you got your Batman, you got your free accessories, and your card. I'm going to show you this bad boy with the detail and the information on it. So there's a post from the game. If you pause it, you can read that little tidbit right there and get all your...
He's like 210 pounds? What a jerk.
Is that with the suit?
Yeah. No, I mean, I guess they just said this Bruce Wayne is 210 pounds.
But is that with the suit there?
That's probably like 100 pounds of suit right there.
Yeah, that suit is like, oh god. But, so, for accessory, we have the gel explosive gun. For those that play the game, you know what that is. And comes in handy a lot. We have the bat terrain. A staple in the Batman community, figures, comic books.
I like that they tried to paint the inside of the bat symbol.
Yeah, I mean...
That's a nice attempt.
Yeah, it's
so tiny.
It's so cool. And then we have the... I can't tell you what this is. I think it's an electric gun that you use to open doors and electrify stuff. So, it's a bit warped. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm not gonna... My Batman holding any.
I don't feel like he could really hold that one. I think the thing is like really big.
I don't get why the handle is in the front, not the back. But I played the game. I just never paid attention to how it holds it. Like, is it like this? Or, I don't know, but whatever. Anyway, let's talk about the big guy himself. Cause this figure, this is where it's at.
It's pretty sweet.
I like it. The armor has all the detail from the game, and the cape is actually well done. When you have him on the table or wherever you put him, it actually drags a little bit, like the game. I love that. They got that little detail in there for it, but has all the different articulation and garages, couple knee joints. Look at that shoulder movement.
What's nice is after figures that we've reviewed before, it was all attached and you couldn't get it back. Now they're separating, so you can go
so you
full
have
motion.
That range of motion. It doesn't hinder that. So it's well done.
And you let us know in the comments what Batman face. I know it's the game, but I say it looks like Keaton.
I don't see it. I can't get behind that because I guess for me, I put so many hours into this game. It looks like the game, but I guess from somebody coming from somebody that hasn't played the game, is you gonna guess Michael Keaton? But what would you guys think? I know what I think. What do you think? But so let's talk about the detail. Let's talk about McFarlane killing it with these figures. Because we have so many of the other McFarlane figures on past videos that they just keep pumping these out, and they are so good, we can't stand to pass them up. We have to get them to bring them to you because I love these details. McFarlane, if you see this work, I hope you do one day, you can message me and say, hey, I will send you some more. Because we would love to talk about it, put them on the shelf, have all types of McFarlane DC Multiverse. I know they just announced a Bane collectible figure and it looks freaking awesome. But I would love a Bane from Arkham, what was it, Arkham Knight? I think it was the second release. It went Arkham Asylum, Arkham Knight, Arkham City. Or maybe Arkham City was second. But whatever one it was, the Bane in that one was oh my god, he was huge. Do that for us, McFarlane. But this figure, the detail, the articulation, the shoulder pads that don't hinder our range of movement, so well done. So, I'm a Batman fan. I'm giving this an 8.5. I would like to go higher, but I'm not too happy about the weapons. I mean, it would be cool if he came with like something else that you could like, his little hacking device, or maybe like a little thing you put on his wrist with like a hologram that he talks to all the time. That'd be so awesome. But that's my opinion. Ken?
I was gonna give it an 8 because of the weapons. I mean, aside from the batarang, that's a classic, but they're kind of pointless.
Nah.
I mean, honestly, if you're gonna take any pictures with this, he's probably gonna hold the batarang. That's about it, or he's gonna be punching something.
Yeah.
And for size comparison, we do have Deathstroke.
We got.
Go watch that video.
So these figures are from the same line in the same game. As you can see, they are very, very clear, like perfectly sized out. Like you guys need to fighting, and it's gonna be awesome as hell. So I'm gonna be taking pictures of these doing beat down.
But at the same time, you're not going to be taking the pictures with those guns.
No,
you're just not.
Or the sheath. That was terrible. That sheath. But go back, watch that video for the sheath. But you hear what we rate this. What would you rate this? We want to know. We love to hear from you guys. We love your opinions. It means a lot to us. Subscribe, share our videos, get this out there. If you could tell us what you want us to do next, what you want us to talk about, and we will do it for you. So, leave all below our Facebook, everything. Until next time, collectors, happy hunting.